welcome everyone. It's extremely rare for me to get excited with an unboxing, but right here I have the Z Flip, the Z Nip, the Z Tip, whatever you want to call it, and we're gonna unbox it in this video. And you know, I've never had a folding phone before, because I'm not from like the 1980s, and I just want to see, you know, what's up with the Z Flip. So, oh, that was a good insertion. I think we have the entry point. I'm like, oh no, if I press there, this is why you bring scissors. But scissors are for beta males. Sponsored. Oh, there's a box. Okay, so we can get away with, you know, damaging that. All right, let's pull out. Pull out. All right, here it is. Stupid iPhone, get out of my way. Anyway, let's open up the box. Alright, so we have the Z Flip. Now I'm going to be returning this one because I found a cheaper one which is boxed, but that's okay. And it doesn't even have like anything. I'm going to return this, but how do I get this out? I think I have to go like this. I want to use the same packaging to return it, because what do you do? What has he done? It's like a maze. Look at this. Well, I don't think I'm going to be keeping that. We just have to rip it, I guess. Oh, he stuck it with tape, so whatever. Okay. First impressions. This device is a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Wow, it's actually a lot bigger than... This is so big. Is this even real? I love the purple. So if we just open it up. Even as the original screen protector, this is so much bigger than I expected. I was expecting this tiny device basically like this, but folded. No. So do I power this on? Like that? Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh, that fold feels good. Okay. Wow. So low battery, but okay, in the crease in the middle, I thought it would be horrible. It's not horrible. Feels perfectly fine. So we'll press that. Okay. Wow. I think it has the original plastic on it as well. It doesn't come with a case though, which sucks. But interesting. I'm gonna be getting another one soon, boxed. But if I wasn't getting that, then this is pretty darn cool. So we have, I don't think this is Samsung, so generic charger, the generic thing here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the boxed one. But this looks so cool. It's so cool just opening it up. I just love this purple. I just love how it like shines and stuff. Yeah. Samsung. I think it's like new, but they just, I don't know what they did. Maybe repackaged. It's just so surprising. I was not expecting it to be this big. But it is. So thanks for watching.